Dream interpretations of seeing different colored snakes. Intro. Snakes are some of the most intriguing and mysterious creatures to appear in dreams. Each color and type of snake holds its own unique message, whether it's a symbol of transformation, a hidden warning, or a sign of spiritual growth. Curious to uncover the secrets behind your snake dream? Let's dive into what these fascinating visions might mean for you. 1. Seeing a white snake in a dream. A white snake often symbolizes purity, transformation, and spiritual growth. It may indicate clarity in your thoughts, or a connection to your higher self. It can also suggest a new beginning or fresh perspective in your life. 2. Seeing a black snake in a dream. A black snake represents the unknown, hidden fears, or potential danger. It could signal a warning about a situation or person in your life. Alternatively, it may also symbolize deep transformation or the unveiling of subconscious truths. 3. Seeing a green snake in a dream. A green snake is often associated with growth, renewal, and healing. It may signify positive changes, personal development, or opportunities in your life. However, it could also warn against jealousy or envy. 4. Seeing a red snake in a dream. A red snake symbolizes intense emotions, passion, or warning signs. It may represent strong feelings like anger or love, or alert you to something in your life that requires immediate attention. 5. Seeing a yellow snake in a dream. A yellow snake signifies intellect, intuition, and caution. It may indicate a decision requiring careful thoughts, or highlight an aspect of your life where you need to trust your instincts. 6. Seeing a blue snake in a dream. A blue snake symbolizes calmness, spiritual awareness, and communication. It may encourage you to seek inner peace or address unresolved emotional issues. 7. Seeing a golden snake in a dream. A golden snake represents wealth, success, or enlightenment. It might be a positive sign of prosperity or spiritual awakening. 8. Seeing a multicolored snake in a dream. A multicolored snake can indicate complexity or confusion in your life. It may also signify a mix of emotions or the need to embrace diversity and change. 9. Seeing a brown snake in a dream. A brown snake symbolizes grounding, stability, and connection to nature. It may suggest focusing on your practical needs or strengthening your roots. 10. Seeing a dead snake in a dream. A dead snake often represents the end of a threat, fear, or obstacle. It may signal the resolution of a problem or the conclusion of a transformative phase in your life. Each interpretation depends on your feelings during the dream and the specific context of your waking life. Behavior of the snake. A calm snake suggests wisdom, spiritual guidance, or self-awareness. An aggressive snake may represent threats, betrayal, or unresolved fears. A slithering snake could symbolize movement or change in your life. Location in the dream. A snake in your home may relate to family or personal issues. A snake in water might symbolize emotional depths or hidden feelings. A snake on a path could represent obstacles or choices in your life. Your feelings in the dream. Fear of the snake suggests unresolved anxieties or resistance to change. Peaceful feelings toward the snake may indicate harmony, acceptance, or personal growth.